At RepairPal, we understand the important role technicians play in supporting trust and transparency in the auto repair industry. That's why, for the 5th year in a row, we've partnered with ASE to present a Master Technician of the Year award. We reviewed our list of shops filled with technicians who provide high-quality car care, stand behind their work, and treat customers fairly. Because of his dedication to the industry and commitment to ongoing training, we nominated Andrew Gibson of DJ Automotive in Provo, Utah. Andrew has over 18 years' experience in the industry as a technician and trainer. He is an ASE Certified Master Automotive Technician with L1 and is MACS certified. He also is licensed by the state of Utah to perform motor vehicle safety inspections and motor vehicle emissions tests. Plus, he works as an instructor and technical writer and has written advanced level courses. In November, we flew Andrew to the award ceremony in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. RepairPal's Jill Trotta, VP of Industry Advocacy and Sales, presented him with the award and a check for $1,000. Thank you, Andrew, and thank you to all the technicians who provide high-quality auto care to consumers.